be on Twitter here in just a little while. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show two demonstrations. The first demonstration that I'm going to show uses something that all of you are very familiar with, okay? And something that you're not familiar with. The first thing I'm going to show you is the stuff that you're not familiar with, okay? All right. The first thing that I'm going to show you is the stuff that is in this container right here. Anybody want to take a guess?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Water. I wish it was water. I wish it was alcohol. No, we don't need alcohol.
Sweat.
Sweat. That was a good one too. Guys, the stuff that is in here is an extremely volatile liquid. Okay? What I mean by volatile is it reacts with stuff and it gets a little nasty. So much so that if I take and drop it on the floor, it will eat through the tile. If I get it on my skin, within 30 seconds, my skin will be that color orange. Okay? I can probably, after that same amount of time, take and actually peel off layers of skin off of my finger if it were on my finger. Do I want that to happen? Probably not. Okay? So what I have in here is what's called nitric acid. Nitric acid has a pH. Anybody familiar with pH in here? A couple of you are familiar with pH. It is the level of it. Okay? The further away from 7 that you get, the stronger it becomes. So 7, it goes down to 1. 7 is what water is. 1, you don't want to mess with at all. Okay? Vinegar has a pH of about 6, maybe 5.5. This has a pH of 2. Okay? So you don't want to mess with it. Okay? I don't think that there's been anything that actually is in that 1 level. Is there?
Glacial acetic comes
Glacial
close.
acetic is really close.
But
Glacial
nothing
acetic
that
acid,
low.
guys, if I had a stack of papers that were like this thick, and you put 1 drop of it in, when you lift up the paper, that drop, there will be a hole all the way through it. I'm as serious as a heart attack. Okay? Okay? So this is not quite there, but it's pretty close. What we're going to do is we're going to take and put that into a graduated cylinder. Okay? It is not a dropout cylinder, it's a graduated cylinder. Graduated cylinder, dropout cylinder. Oh, wow. Hey, I'll be here all year. Hey, for those of you that have Mr. B, do you know what the boy mushroom said to the girl mushroom?
Oh no. What?
I'm a fun guy.
Yes, fun guy, get it.
Like it? Okay. We're going to take this, acid, and we're going to put it into the graduated cylinders, okay? Getting back on track here a little bit. We're going to take Abraham Lincoln, and we're going to put him in here too. Watch the liquid.
I got it. Oh, God.
Watch the liquid. What happened to the color of the liquid?
Pink.
Turned what color? Kind of a green. And now you're seeing that gas come off the top. That gas is coming off the top. What color is it? Orange. Okay. It's got a little crack at the bottom. It's okay. And one thing I will do is I will turn on the water here. That liquid, what else is helping into the liquid? What do you notice with it? It's bubbling, right? Guys, that test tube, or that graduated cylinder, you know how I was holding it up and showing you guys? I don't want to touch it right now. It's about 200, 250 degrees. Okay? It will burn you. The inside there is a test tube holder. When I take and pick it up here in just a few minutes, I will use the test tube holder to get it out and move it. Okay? See that orange gas? Anybody want to take a guess what that orange gas is? It's the copper from the pen.
Oh God.
Okay? And it's mixing with oxygen. It's forming what's called copper oxide. Okay? Oh, look at the liquid now, if you can. What color is it now? It's a blue color, isn't it? You can take a look. You can walk by.
Yeah. Like blue green.
Kind of a bluish green color. Can you guys see it in the back? If you want to, come up here and take a look. It's not going to bite you.
Go, guys. You can go take a look.
Kind of a bluish green color. Okay? All right? Everybody good? Okay. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to take and have you guys do me a favor. My class, I'm going to have you guys go back to your seats. Mr. B's classes, if you would please go to the lab tables and sit at the chairs. That would be awesome.